Devil Fetus is early 80s, Hong Kong, sloppy, messy, gory, kooky, kind of, batshit crazy film. One that's totally enjoyable, earns its rating. Her Vengeance is probably the best film that Vinegar Syndrome has released this year. Not necessarily my favorite, because favorites are more ones that rewatch value. Her Vengeance is not one you're going to want to revisit too often because it's a rape revenge thriller from the director of Ricky O. But it's all I Spit on Your Grave. So think of that kind of movie, but done Hong Kong style.